Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 1 hour 30 minutes start to finish. Meatballs, extra fine green beans, boiled potatoes. Ingredients: ground pork, 2 slices of bread finely chopped, salt, pepper, nutmeg, dry parsley, 1 whole egg, a splash of milk, butter, extra virgin olive oil, fine green beans, 4 chives finely cut, potatoes washed, peeled, and in slices. Preparation: mix the meat with salt, pepper, nutmeg, dry parsley, a whole egg, 2 slices of bread finely chopped, a splash of milk. Let the mixture rest for 10 minutes for all the ingredients to be absorbed in the mix. Shape in meatballs. In a large pan, add a generous slice of butter, extra virgin olive oil, and cook the meatballs for 1 hour on medium to low heat. Slice the washed potatoes and boil in salted water for 20 minutes or when soft to a knife end. Clean the green beans and remove the ends. Add the green beans to salted boiling water for 8 minutes, then drain them the water. In a pot on low heat, add a piece of butter, the chopped chives. Cook for 2 minutes, then add the cooked green beans in the butter. Optional as decoration, sparkle the preparation with dry parsley. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment if you wish.